Struggling with codependency in your relationship? Many couples face a cycle of dependency and loss of self. Through an integrated therapeutic approach, couples can regain balance and clarity. Family systems therapy helps untangle complex relationship dynamics, while cognitive behavioral therapy reshapes negative thought patterns. Mindfulness-based interventions ground you in the present moment, fostering calm and togetherness. Emotionally focused therapy nurtures secure attachment and healing communication. This comprehensive program for codependency treatment offers real solutions for couples ready to break unhealthy cycles. Professional guidance paves the way to a renewed, empowered relationship. Embrace change and invest in your future together. Discover integrated treatment methods that restore balance and build a healthier bond. Seek professional support today and start your journey toward lasting relationship recovery. Take the first step. Your path to healing begins now.